Chevrolet here at Unique, Specialty and Classic, and this one is a beauty. 1963 Chevrolet Impala, two-door hardtop, custom build, and very well done. Previous owner has been kind enough to do a little write-up on this car, so when I can go around it, I'll kind of read off of what they gave me. A lot of stuff to cover on this one, and yes, indeed, it does look as good in person as it does in the video and the pictures. I'll tell you where you can see a lot of still pictures of this car from the top to bottom, inside and out, here in just a bit. So let's get started. Definitely one of a kind. Full frame off restoration. Nothing left untouched or overlooked. This has a fully built and blueprinted 383 stroker engine built by Tessar Performance Engineering, which has 450 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. And there are dyno sheets to prove it. That is coupled with a Gearstar Performance 700R automatic transmission with overdrive. So this one is set up to go down the road, drive nicely. Now, as far as those still pictures, you want to take your time looking through those, look at the engine bay, interior, trunk, undersides. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. The exhaust starts with ceramic coated Sanderson Shorty headers. That leads to a 2.5-inch dual exhaust system with H-pipe. It has an aluminum radiator, billet specialties, front serpentine belt conversion, vintage AC, and a premium sound system with kicker speakers, amp, and sub that are hidden. He did say the radio is a little temperamental in it. There's a cord that'll go over in the glove box, I believe, for like a phone. Want to play it through that way. Auxiliary input, I should say, is what it is, and that was mentioned. It is in the glove box. This car also has Unisteer rack and pinion steering system. The suspension has been fully redone with Ride Tech control arms in the front, Ride Tech adjustable coilovers, and 2-inch drop spindle and sway bar. The brakes are fully redone with a vacuum assist dual master cylinder with huge Willwood 4-piston calipers and 2-piece drilled and slotted rotors. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And yes, that paint, it looks like it's wet in person also. See the reflection and luster this paint has. It's beautiful, no doubt about that. In the rear, the coils have been cut 2 inches to lower the ride height and match the front 2-inch drop, and also has a large sway bar. Inside the car, it was fully stripped, dyno matted for sound deadening, of course, and heat dissipation. And then a brand new custom interior was added, and we're going to get to that here in just a second. Beautiful red vinyl interior, center console, seat belts intact, of course. Now, it does have shaved door handles, and there is also a popper. So we're going to go ahead, and that does function properly. Have the button right there. Pushed it, open the door. All while holding the camera. How about that? All right, let's take a look at this interior a little closer. And again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and you'll be able to see over 100 pictures of this car online. All right, a little more off of his notes here. Let's see. Custom new interior was installed to match the OEM SS style interior, including the door panels. It does have smoked glass, headliner, carpet, center console, dash, all done. Decoded digital dash, and you got to check that out in the still pictures. We're going to start it up so you can see it here in a second. Also, cool looking dash, very nice setup. Tell you what, let's go ahead and do that now. I want you to hear this thing run, and we'll see if there's any other notes at the end. We'll touch base with those two. All right. No need to pump it. it's sitting inside or halfway warm. If it's a little bit cold, hasn't ran for a while, maybe a half a pump, he said, as far as with gas pedal. Does not take anything to start this car, and look at that dash. How cool is that? Let it warm up here a little bit. Let's check out a little more of the interior. Dash looks good. Does have a tilt column, as you can see. And wipers work, AC blows cold. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. Great sounding car. A little more from the owner's notes here. Body's in as perfect a condition as you can expect. Was brought down to bare metal. The car had zero rust, and there no patches were needed, and you can see this thing is laser straight. Wheels are 18 by 8 Boss Chrome wheels. Nittos NT 555s. It's a fully frame-off restored car. There's over $120,000 in receipts, and it definitely shows on this one. All right, just gonna run down to the notes. If you have any questions, feel free to call in 507-386-1726. Consult with a sales associate. They'll have access to the same notes and everything that I just went through. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let's check out the engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the hood open. Yep, absolutely just as nice underneath the hood as the rest of the car, just what you'd expect. 383 stroker. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC, well-built engine. There's those ceramic coated headers we mentioned, serpentine belt system, aluminum radiator. Electronic ignition, polished, chrome, everything looks just superb. Again, just what you'd expect on this car. Very, very well done. Absolutely gorgeous. 1963 Chevrolet Impala two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate.